chemical bonding. In this tutorial, we will learn what is chemical bonding and how it happens. A chemical bond is an attraction between atoms that allows the formation of chemical substances that contain two or more atoms. So first of all, you should remember that it is an attraction, and this attraction is between atoms, and this allows the formation of chemical substances that contain two or more atoms, because we need two or more atoms for the attraction to take place. There are different types of chemical bonding and three main types that we will focus on. The first one is covalent bonding, and we will explain it in this tutorial. The second is ionic bonding, and the third is metallic bonding. Let's start with the first main type of chemical bonding, which is covalent bonding. What is a covalent bond? A covalent bond is a form of chemical bonding that is characterized by the sharing of pairs of electrons between atoms. So the key word here is sharing. There is no loss and no gain of electrons, but there is sharing of pairs of electrons between atoms. And this type of bonding, the covalent bond, is the strongest because atoms share electrons. Covalent bonding can be single, double, or triple. So it can be found as one bond, which is single covalent bond, double, two bonds, or triple, three bonds. In this example, you see the atom A, or the nucleus of atom A, and the nucleus of atom B. A has one electron, which is the red one, and B has also one valence electron, which is the blue one. A valence electron is the electron in the outer shell, the outermost shell of the atom. So each atom has one in this example. Electrons should be arranged in pairs. A pair of electron means two electrons. But each one of these atoms has one valence electron and not a pair. They don't have two electrons. So what happens is that they attract each other, and therefore sharing of electrons occurs, so that atom A has two electrons now and atom B has two electrons. One electron is from atom A, the red one, and one electron is from atom B, the blue one. Neither of the atoms gain or lose electrons. They both share this pair of electrons, and they both have the same pair of electrons made from one electron from atom A and one electron from atom B. This sharing of electrons is a covalent bond.